So one of the biggest problems that we have with garage doors where we get service requests is just a simple photo eye issue. If the photo eyes aren't lined up, the safety beams on the track down at the bottom that shoots a beam across the opening to prevent the door from closing on someone. So the door will always open even if the photo eyes are lined up, but it won't close. So on this door, if I go here and hit the wall button, the motor just blinks, door doesn't move. So there's a couple indicators that you can look for. There's a yellow photo eye and then there's a green light photo eye. The yellow one will always be solid yellow. The green one is only solid green when they're perfectly lined up. So as you can see on this one, it's blinking green. Another way you can kind of test it is if you hold the wall button down and it allows the door to close. You have to hold it the whole time, but if it allows the door to close like what's happening now, you know it's a photo eye issue. Holding that button down bypasses that safety feature, because you're telling the motor, I'm standing right here, it's not gonna close on someone or something, and it bypasses it and allows the door to close. So that's another key indicator that you have a photo eye issue, because holding the wall button down will only fix a photo eye issue, not any other error codes that might come up. So what we do is look over top of it, make sure it's shooting straight across the opening. Sometimes it'll be shooting out or in. This wing nut you can loosen and kind of move it up or down or left or right within this bracket. This one's shooting straight across, so it's good. What we'll do is just measure from the ground up, make sure they're at the same height, and we'll come over to this yellow one. This one's shooting straight across the opening, but it's pointed down in the bracket. So we'll get it kind of centered in that bracket, make sure it's tightened down, make sure it's at the same height. And now you can see that solid green light on the photo eye indicating they're perfectly lined up. And now the door will shut by only pressing the button. I don't have to hold it down anymore. That's one of the biggest issues we see on service calls. People think they need a new motor or something's going on, and that's one of the things that you can fix yourself and save you a little money on a service call.